9,000 to 10,000 pieces per hour. Premium individual wet wipe. High-precision servo motors. The RRW-250H is built for premium single-pack wet wipe. The capacity is up to 10,000 packs every hour. The brain and the muscle. Behind the high capacity, what about the stability? With the excellent control system, it has a smart brain, a motion controller. It has strong muscle, servo motors to control every move perfectly. This means the machine is incredibly stable. It can run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without needing an expensive engineer to watch it all the time. Multi-size flexibility. One machine, various products. From small alcohol pads to large catering wipes. The RRW-250H can change sizes easily to fit your needs, extending the shelf life of your premium products to over 3 years. 18 years of global trust. We have been making wet wipe machines since 2008. We don't just sell machines. We help you build a successful business. Welcome to contact us for more information.